Yesterday, I made a silent movie in the break room, and it was kind of fun. I was eating some rice that my sweetheart made for me. Hello.
Thank you, though.
Your food is the best. Cheers. But that is, oh my gosh, my sweetie is looking so beautiful. But anyway, she made me rice for my lunch yesterday, and I was eating it, and I got the hiccups super bad. Anytime I eat fried rice, there's almost a 99.6% chance that I will get the hiccups. So whenever I get the hiccups, it makes my sweetie smile. So if I have a video on file where I eat and get the hiccups, she can click on it and have a pick-me-up during the day. So I don't think this is enough fried rice to give me the hiccups, but we're going to try. Now, I can't eat fried rice with chopsticks fast enough to produce the hiccup effect. So, sweetie, I should have got more fried rice. This is not enough fried rice to give me the hiccups. We also have some pepper chicken. Oh my gosh. It's so delicious. Yum, 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 yum. Sweet. Cheers.
Cheers. Thank you.
Oh, so good. Yum, 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 yum.
Let it sink down.
No, it's not gonna work. Gotta keep eating with the fork. Yum, 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 yum. The thing is, I don't want to eat just fried rice. There's so many good things on the menu here at Mama Noodles.
I think it'll be way quicker.
Eating just fried rice is kind of like a crime against humanity.
Like $30. And I'm just going to return those. All I want is to make a flop.
Sweetie, it's not working.
Well, thanks for effort.
I don't know how long I need to film before. Well, how about this? Will this make you smile? That Taylor Swift and that Kelsey fella give a lot of PDA these days. But my darling and I were doing it before doing it was cool. Don't keep all that love to yourself, world. Share it and make the world a better place.